With the BPA Chain Slack Adjuster, you can check and adjust the chain tension faster, easier, and more precise. If you have a chain-driven motorcycle or quad, then this tool is for you. When mounted on the chain of your motorcycle, the tool lets you know if the slack is too loose, okay, or too tight. In this case, the chain is loose. To adjust it correctly, simply tighten the chain until the indicator is aligned to the OK mark. Now the chain slack is perfect. You can also verify if the chain has uneven wear. Simply mount the tool on multiple positions and check the indicator. In all cases, the marks must be perfectly aligned. You don't need to waste time anymore with multiple measurements trying to get the perfect slack every time you need to adjust your chain. Nor use other imprecise methods that may result in damage to your motorcycle's transmission components. With the BPA Chain Slack Adjuster, you can check and adjust the chain tension faster, easier, and more precise. To learn how it can be calibrated for your motorcycle and for more information, visit our website